Imagine building a thriving YouTube channel without doing all the heavy lifting yourself. Sounds like a dream, right? With YouTube automation, it's a reality. Discover how channels like Natural Lens are earning thousands by automating their content. YouTube automation uses tools and techniques to streamline channel management. This includes video creation, editing, uploading, and promotion. It's your secret to saving time and optimizing workflow. Automation helps with idea generation, script writing, and video production. It also covers uploading, scheduling, and promoting your videos. This process frees up your time for other important tasks. Automation ensures consistent content delivery, crucial for audience retention. As your channel grows, automation becomes essential for handling increased workloads efficiently. It truly transforms your content creation journey. Starting an automated YouTube channel requires understanding the workflow. Let's explore the key steps to integrate automation seamlessly. This approach saves time and optimizes content quality. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ offer invaluable insights. They help identify trending topics and audience searches, leverage keyword research to find high-potential topics, and optimize for searchability. AI tools like ChatGPT and RITR can efficiently generate video scripts. Use these tools to outline content and refine your messaging. This ensures a smooth flow of ideas, saving significant time. AI video tools like Fleeky transform content creation. They help produce videos faster with realistic AI voiceovers. These tools allow for automated video assembly, cutting, and rendering. Use AI-powered text-to-image generators like Flicky AI Thumbnail Maker. Adobe Firefly and Playground AI also create eye-catching visuals. These boost click-through rates and viewer engagement. YouTube's native scheduling feature lets you plan video releases. Tools like Zapier can automate uploads based on specific triggers. This eliminates manual intervention, ensuring timely content delivery. Social media scheduling tools like FeedHive and Buffer promote videos efficiently. Share your content across various platforms. This streamlines promotion, enhancing reach and engagement. Balance automation with personal engagement for authenticity. Monitor and adapt your strategies to align with evolving goals. A well-orchestrated blend of automation allows for efficient content creation at scale. Creating captivating YouTube videos is often the most time-consuming part. Modern AI tools offer a powerful solution. They streamline video production, especially for faceless automation channels. Natural Lens is a prime example of successful AI integration. This channel creates informative animal videos, amassing millions of views. It showcases how strategic automation leads to remarkable success. AI tools like Fleeky simplify video creation. Start a new project, select language, and describe your idea. Fleeky generates a video with a realistic AI voiceover in seconds. For high viewer retention, vary footage in the video's initial part. Make subtitles noticeable with color and opacity adjustments. Choose from thousands of AI voices to match your content's tone. YouTube automation is powerful, but ethical use is crucial. Content creators must consider several important factors. This ensures transparency and builds viewer trust. Maintain content originality and avoid plagiarism. Over-reliance on AI can lead to intellectual property issues. Always prioritize unique, valuable content. Sustain authentic engagement with your audience. Over-automation can diminish personal connection. Engage with viewers through comments and community posts. Always abide by YouTube's terms of service. Violating policies can lead to penalties. Stay informed about guidelines to ensure compliance. Avoid misleading or deceptive practices. Do not use automation for clickbait or false information. Prioritize ethical content that provides genuine value. If automation is used, disclose it to your audience. Transparency builds trust and authenticity. Let viewers understand your content creation process. Use automation in moderation. It should complement, not replace, creativity and personal aspects. Prioritize content quality over mere quantity. YouTube automation is more than a time saver. It's a catalyst for the future of content creation. Remember to balance automation with authenticity and efficiency with ethics. The possibilities are truly endless. Embrace YouTube automation responsibly to unlock its full potential. Shape the landscape of digital content creation for years to come. Your journey continues, and the world of content creation is yours to explore and master. Ready to transform your content creation? Start exploring AI tools and automation strategies today. Share your thoughts in the comments below, subscribe for more insights, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in digital content.